ensures fast, safe, and compatible charging for all devices on the go, keeping your gadgets powered during travel. My today's video is about top 5 best car charging adapters that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Leeson Retractable Car Charger. The Leeson 4-in-1 retractable car charger is a must-have for anyone who spends time on the road. Designed for standard 12V vehicle sockets, this powerhouse ensures your devices stay charged no matter where your journey takes you. Featuring 2 retractable cables, Type L and Type C. Extending up to 31.5 inches, it eliminates cable clutter while keeping your car organized. With 4 charging ports, including a 30WPD USB-C port and a 12W USB-A port, it delivers fast, efficient power to up to 4 devices simultaneously, supporting phones, tablets, and small electronics, excluding micro-USB devices. Built for durability, the charger offers a 180 degrees adjustable, shockproof design to maintain stable charging even on rough roads. Perfect for iPhone 17 to 11 series and Samsung S24, S26 devices, it combines functionality with convenience. Ideal as a thoughtful gift for drivers, commuters, or fleet vehicles, it transforms any car into a tidy, tech-ready space. Backed by a 24-month leasing care promise, this charger is the ultimate road trip essential. Now our second product is Kinho USB-C Car Charger. The Kinho 67W 3-port fast car charger is an essential travel companion for anyone on the go. Equipped with 2 USB-C ports and 1 USB-A port, it delivers PD37W and QC30W outputs, allowing multiple devices to charge at high speed simultaneously. Whether it's an iPhone, iPad, MacBook Air, or Android device, this charger could take most phones from 0% to 60% in just 35 minutes, making it perfect for road trips or daily commutes. Safety is a top priority. The intelligent internal chip protects against overcurrent, overvoltage, overheating, and short circuits, while the ABS plus PC fireproof shell ensures your devices are charged securely. Its broad compatibility covers iPhone 17 to 12 series, Samsung Galaxy S21, S25, Google Pixel, AirPods, smartwatches, GPS devices, and more, making it an all-in-one solution for modern tech. Compact, reliable, and efficient, the Kinho 67W car charger comes with a 2-year replacement promise, ensuring a safe and fast charging experience for every journey. Our third product is Earthless Retractable Car Charger. The 4-in-1 retractable car charger is a versatile and reliable travel essential, designed to keep your devices powered safely on every journey. Built with integrated overcharging, overcurrent, and overtemperature protections, it ensures a stable and secure power supply for smartphones, tablets, and other USB devices. Its dual 80 centimeters, 31.5-inch, retractable cables automatically return to the charger after use, eliminating tangled cords and keeping your car's center console neat and organized. Equipped with 2 retractable lines plus additional USB-A and USB-C ports, this charger can power up to 4 devices simultaneously, making it ideal for family road trips, shared rides, or daily commutes. The 180 degrees flexible rotation allows easy positioning in tight spaces, avoiding interference with gear shifts or handbrakes. Compatible with 12V, 24V DC input, it works seamlessly in sedans, SUVs, and other vehicles. A thoughtful gift for men and women drivers, it combines practicality with convenience, ensuring every road trip or commute is safe, clutter-free, and stress-free. Now number 4, Junvang USB-C Car Charger. The 90W 4-port USB-C car charger is a powerhouse for on-the-go charging, designed to keep all your devices powered efficiently. With upgraded PD/QC fast charging technology, it can charge iPhone 17 to 12 series up to 80% and iPad devices up to 60% in just 30 minutes. Samsung Galaxy S26, S23 and most Android devices reach up to 70 to 80% in 35 minutes, making it perfect for long road trips or busy commutes. This 4-in-1 car charger features 2 USB-C ports and 2 USB-A ports, allowing simultaneous fast charging of up to 4 devices. Its broad compatibility covers iPhones, iPads, Samsung Galaxy, Google Pixel, Android phones, laptops, power banks, cameras, GPS devices, and more, making it a complete charging solution for any vehicle. Safety is built in with an intelligent power management chip providing overcurrent, overvoltage, overload, overheat, and short-circuit protections. The all-metal housing ensures heat dissipation and lasting durability. Compact yet powerful, this charger is ideal for cars, trucks, SUVs, and pickup trucks, combining speed, convenience, and reliability for every driver. And our last choice is Wodinta iPhone 17, 16, 15 Pro Max car charger. The 67W Super Fast USB-C car charger is a must-have for drivers seeking speed, convenience, and reliability on the road. With upgraded 67W PD/QC fast charging, it can power iPhone 17 to 15 series up to 80% and iPads up to 60% in just 30 minutes, while Samsung Galaxy S26, S23 devices reach 60% in only 20 minutes. Its 3-port design, 2 USB-C and 1 USB-A, allows simultaneous charging of up to 3 devices, with a total output of 67W, making it perfect for family trips, shared rides, or multi-device users. Equipped with a smart IC chip, this charger automatically recognizes devices, providing optimal charging and protecting against overcurrent, overvoltage, and overheating. The included 3-foot USB-C to C cable supports 3A charging and 480 megabits per second data transfer. Broad compatibility ensures it works with iPhones, iPads, Samsung Galaxy, Google Pixel, LG phones, tablets, and most USB devices. Compact yet powerful, it fits 12 24V vehicles, making it a reliable travel companion for cars, SUVs, and trucks. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.